Hello everyone, welcome to the Study Hacks Institute of GIS and Remote Sensing. Today I will try to discuss a very important topic, mainly how we can easily applying the Tasseled cap transformation in Google Earth Engine. So Tasseled cap transformation we can easily use and detect the different types of feature such as greenness, brightness, and wetness, and how we can easily do this type of things using Google Earth Engine. Today's session I will try to explain one by one. So first of all, Tasseled cap transformation. The short name is the TCT, and it's a one kind of method used in remote sensing to reduce the dimensionality of multispectral data while preserving the important information. So mainly it used for to drive the brightness, greenness, and wetness indices from multispectral imagery. And using the Google Earth Engine, we can easily detect the brightness, greenness, and wetness index using the multispectral imagery. So today's session, I will show you that how we can easily use the TCT, mainly Tasseled cap transformation, and we can drag the brightness, greenness, and wetness indices from multispectral imagery in Google Earth Engine. So let's go. So just I simply open my code. So here you can see I already created this type of things. So in this time I use here the mangrove forest in Bangladesh and India. Both part I want to use in here. So in this time here you can say I already create this type of layer. One layer is about show about the wetness. So basically using wetness we can easily identify about that where is the high wetness region. We can easily identify where is the low wetness region. We can easily identify about that. And also you can see about the second layer. It's mainly greenness. So using the greenness, we can easily detect this type of region is the high density of the greenness, okay, and this type of region is the low density of the greenness. So you can easily detect the greenness place, as well as also you can say about the brightness. So basically, using the brightness, we can easily identify about the brightness region using the satellite imagery. And these things I use at the Landsat top of atmospheric satellite imagery. And further, I apply the TCT function and create the brightness as well as also create about the greenness, and finally we also create about that wetness using the TCT method. So now I will explain this method and further I will show you all of those things step by step. So let's go. So first of all, here you can see this is the code about that. So here you can see I already imported my boundary shape file, and further I create a function. So in this time it's very important. So here you can see we have to create some coefficient. So in this time, in the Tasseled cap transformation, in this time I just create some coefficient for brightness, greenness, and wetness. Okay, so you can see this type of things. I just create the array, and this type of things mainly indicate about the brightness, and this type of thing about that greenness, and this type of thing is the wetness. Okay, so this is the coefficient of the Tasseled cap transformation. Further, we are just use this type of band. So in this time B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, and B7 band I used in here. And then we make an array image with 1D array per pixel. So just we simply call this image and select all of band, and then use here the 2 array which convert 1D array per pixel. So then we just create the make an array image with 2D array per pixel. So for that I just put here the 1. So basically when I put here the 1, then it will convert into 2D array per pixel. And further we are just perform the matrix multiplication and coefficient x array, and then just create the matrix multiply and call the array image 2D. And then I put here the grid for the extra dimension. I put here the 0, and I create the flatten function array flatten, and I just input here the brightness, greenness, and wetness. And further we are just create this function. So this is my function about the Tasseled cap transformation. This function I simply connect with my image collection, mainly Landsat image collection. In this time we are using here. So here you can see just I use at the top of atmospheric image collection, and further I just simply put here the time period, and then I create the median imagery. So these things I simply connect with the function. Okay, so this is the function variable name, and this is my imagery. So now it's connecting, and further we are just displaying this type of things. Here you can see we are displaying about the wetness, then greenness, and brightness. So it's very used in remote sensing, the TCT method, and then drive the different types of things such as brightness, greenness, and wetness. Okay, so if you are interested in this video, simply like and also make a comment about that. And if you want to join my live training program, so basically we are also conducting the live training program on Google Earth Engine. So basically, our next batch will be start from that 19 July. So now this registration is the open, and first 10 will get the 50% discount on this online training program. So basically, it's a total 7 days online training program, and each day, mainly Friday and Saturday, we take the class, and each day it's total 4 hours. Okay, 4 hours live training program, and you can easily check it your local time from here. So basically, this website link I already added in the video description. Simply check it. Then you can get all of information about our upcoming online training program. So as well as if you want to interest to join this online training program, simply contact in this email, as well as you can also contact with this WhatsApp number. So already added all of those things in the video description. So here you can see all of the description about the course, all of course content. Okay, you can easily get it from here. So basically in this online training program, we are just providing all of those things from beginners to advanced level. If you have no knowledge about the coding, mainly JavaScript, Python, or Google Earth Engine, or remote sensing, don't worry about that. You will learn all of those things from beginners to advanced level. So here you can see full course content. I already added in my website. You can simply visit my website and then check all of details. And when you join this online training program, you can get some benefits, such as you can get the course e-certificate after submitting all of assignment, as well as you can also get the all of material, mainly slide, PDF, practice code, as well as you also get the recorded class. If you miss any live training program, you can easily cover using this recorded class. And finally, you can get the lifetime teaching support. It's very important as a beginners, because as a beginners, when you want to learn the Google Earth Engine platform, you face a lot of problems, such as when you face any issue or any doubt, you can simply contact, and then you can get the lifetime teaching support. Okay, so this is the very important as a beginners, because as a beginners you face a lot of problem. So that's why you need the continuous support. Okay, so for this we are also providing the lifetime teaching support freely when you join our online training program. Okay, so you can check all of details, and if you want to interest to join this live training program, simply contact in this WhatsApp number, as well as also contact with this email. Okay, so today is no more. Thank you for watching that. Stay happy, stay safe.